going to point out some things to do on your shanty when you're putting it together that will make your life so much easier on the Clam Thermal XT. The first thing is the bar right here that the seat sits on. You won't be able to see it with the material on, but put the black bracket in first because you have to screw through it. So you can't just pop it on after you have it mounted. So then you'll waste time taking it off and putting it back on. Okay, the next thing that will save you some time is down here on the seat. They have these brackets right here. These little hole cover things. You will see the screw on the top. That goes through that black thing. It's on each side of the bar. So you need to make sure that you have that on or it does not work as well. And then there's a circle side and an oval side for the seat. 2 circles on one side, 2 oval brackets on the other side that the seat mount to, and then it'll turn and slide in and out. Otherwise that does not work as well. But the biggest key feature that we found when putting this together is this bar is a long bar. The second bar, which attaches with the angle bracket, which will be the bar that goes from here to here. This bar is the short bar. The other 3 bars are all long, and you'll have 3 long bars and 1 short bar, and it does not in the instructions tell you which bar goes where. So we had to play around an awful lot to figure that out. And while it's really nice, it's very tall. My son's 6 feet tall and he can stand in here without touching the top. He's putting it together right now. And then I will show you on the inside the bar I mean. So you can see this bar right here. This is the short bar. That bar is a long bar. The one on the back is a long bar. And the one on the floor. Sorry, the one on the floor is a long bar, but they also don't tell you about having to feed the poles. Where his foot is right now. There's material that you have to feed the pole in all the way around. Otherwise, for the most part, putting the shanty together wasn't bad. It should have only taken us 2 hours, realistically. And I must admit, it took us much longer due to those 3-4 things missing in the instructions. Otherwise, everything was very, very clear. But those key points, I don't know, let me see if I can, get in here quick. On the seats there is a bracket, this bracket down, sorry, this bracket down here. There's a black cap that goes in there, and you have to have the black cap in before you install the bar. But otherwise, it went together really nice. It has really nice features. I really, really like this back door. So I can go into the sled and grab gear without having to make anybody inside the shack move. It goes together very quickly. It's nice and roomy. The windows all open and close nice. It still has 2 in the back. We're already out using it. We put it together yesterday. And we would have been out fishing yesterday had we been able to figure that bar out. Like I said, it was extremely frustrating. But yeah, it sets up really quick. It's nice. It's spacious. The chairs are comfortable. I like the quilted material. The key step missing in the directions that would have made putting on the material and figuring out it wasn't sitting right was very frustrating because you had to do a fit before you put it up. And then the other tip that we got from somebody else was on this right here, instead of using a heat gun or a hair dryer, you 5-gallon bucket, put in